Okay, so how many days old is she?
3.
3 days, okay.
Yeah. She's probably not even gonna wake up. Let's get your arm.
If you get in a while, if I take the onesie off, she'll wake up. If you
Oh,
want her
right.
to.
No, I don't want her to wake up.
Oh, okay.
She might not wake up to this. Just so you know, I'm gonna hang her upside down by her legs.
Hey, great.
Okay?
Swing her around.
No. Pretty gentle, but.
Oh, you are actually.
Uh-huh.
I was okay.
Well, that's how you were in mommy's tummy.
Her atlas is a little bit out on the left.
Okay. Her what now?
Her atlas, which is the top bone in her neck.
Oh.
A little sweetie. There we go. I'm just gonna move that right back in. She'll probably stretch out a little bit. There you go.
I remember when I did this with Addie the first time with Dr. Brian, and I was like, oh my gosh, Addie looks so little, but Addie was like 4. And then I was like,
There, legs go.
compared.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. Good
job, sweet girl. She's so. I've seen her this like
Yeah, usually stretch out.
straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had a little newborn a while back, and she was all curled up. And the parents were like, I said, I'm gonna lay her on her back. And they're like, well, she can't do that. And I was like, because she's all curled up. And they're like, yeah. I go, it'll be all right, watch. And she stretched out, her legs straightened out, her arms straightened out. And they were like, oh my God. Just kind of like this. Yeah.
Good girl. Good job, sweet pea.
Yeah, they both went down.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, her feet are so small.
I know, it's crazy.
Oh, you're doing so good.
You're
There you go. Nice. You roll over on me?
There you go, Bubs. This is spa day. This is spa day. Spa day. We had her 2-day checkup and the wellness check and the lactation consult, and she's just like, oh, everybody's checking everything.
Busy day.
Yeah.
She's gonna be tired.
How many pounds was she? 5'2". Wow. She's now 4'10". Oh, my little tiny peanut. Yeah. She's a one-hand baby. Yeah, yeah. How about it? Yeah.
One little spot in the lower right. We got our atlas on the left.
Okay.
Now we're just working on the one on the right.
She literally looks like she's meditating.
She's got the cutest little mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Gosh.
Yep. She hasn't been like fussy or anything, so she's pretty even-tempered.
Uh-oh.
I say that now. 3 whole days of experience. And she's so tiny she can't make a loud noise. She's like, I got to save my energy. Remember, Addie was always so chill, so even-tempered and flexible, and then what happened? I don't know. He's still flexible. He's just not chill. He's chaos. He
She is done. Put your foot back in there. I don't know if it'll go back in.
Yeah. You just have to see the foot. It's just so tight. Yeah.
So cute. I saw it pop out. Adorable.
Right.
The fingers.
Oh, I know.
Alright.
Yeah, your boys are all big now. Huh. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.